Good afternoon, ma'am.
Namaskar.
Ma'am has joined, and will you starting in 10 seconds, ma'am?
Okay, all right, as you wish.
Good afternoon, all of you. We'll be starting our panel discussion celebrating the World Human Rights Day 2024. Our Dean, School of Legal Studies, Professor Mr. Satya Prakash Rai sir is with us, and he'll be giving an insight about our institute. And then we'll be starting the panel discussion to Professor Satya Prakash Rai sir.
Hello, good morning to all of you. I am Satya Prakash Rai, Dean School of Legal Studies, UP State Institute of Forensic Sciences, Lucknow. It is a flagship institute of UP government with Namaskar, ma'am. This institute has a focus on forensic sciences. This institute has three schools: the School of Legal Studies, the School of Forensic Sciences, School of Science and Technology. We run 5 courses: BSc LLB integrated 5-year course, LLM in Criminal Justice, BTech 5-year course, and BSc in Forensic Science, MSc in Forensic Science. This institute is headed by Dr. G.K. Goswami ji. He is an IPS officer of UP cadre, and he is heading this institute as director. And he is an world-renowned name in forensic science. He has done too much studies on forensic science. Today we are here to celebrate World Human Rights Day. As we know, from the very beginning of human civilization, basic human rights, which are must for the dignified living of any Homo sapiens, are being protected by some way or other. In the starting, it was protected by the muscle power, and now in civilized days, it is protected by law. Previously, our all knowledge was stored in stones, leaves, cloths, etc. Nowadays, all knowledge, all information is stored in data. Hence, it is very pertinent to discuss that how in the today's age of data, one can protect his human rights. For this, we have a very rich panel of distinguished legal luminaries today with us. Professor Manoj Sinha ji, Vice Chancellor, NLU Jabalpur, Professor Preeti Saxena ji, Vice Chancellor, NLU Shimla, Professor Anju Wali Tikku ji, Dean, Faculty of Law, Delhi University. On behalf of UPSIFS, I welcome you all participants and panelists. Without taking more time, I would like to hand over the panel for further discussion to the moderator, Dr. Abhishek Dikshit ji, our young faculty, to continue the program. Dr. Abhishek, please.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and respected panelists, sir and ma'am. It is my absolute privilege to welcome you to this distinguished panel discussion on the topic From Data to Justice, Emerging Challenges to Protect, privacy rights, organized as a part of our celebration of World Human Rights Day. First, I extend a warm welcome to Professor Manoj Sinha sir, a celebrated legal scholar with a profound impact on the realm of human rights and international law. Sir is a visiting professor at the prestigious Raoul Wallenberg Institute of Human Rights in Sweden. And sir has been a pioneer and started a post-graduation human rights course in India. And I believe Professor Sinha insights today promise to be both enlightening and inspiring. Next, we are honored to have Professor Preeti Saxena ma'am, stalwart in the field of human rights, with over 3 decades of good afternoon, ma'am, with over 3 decades of teaching experience and a tenure of 15 years as Dean of Department of Human Rights at Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Lucknow. Professor Saxena has shaped the academic landscape in this domain. Her contribution to the UGC Learning Outcome Curriculum Framework and her extensive publication, more than 50 publications on human rights articles and including many of the books have on human rights specifically have established her as a leading voice on the complexities of human rights and rapidly changing world. Finally, I introduce Professor Anju Tiku ma'am, a scholar whose work transcends from traditional academic boundaries with a career enriched by her contribution as a visiting faculty at Jamia Millia Islamia, Indian Law Institute, and Delhi Judicial Academy. Professor Tiku ma'am has enriched legal education nationwide. She has written multiple articles and multiple books, and interestingly, a book on the today's panel discussion theme, a book titled "Right to Privacy in the Information Age." Beyond academia, her instrumental role in assisting the